Hi, welcome to TysConsciousKitchen. Today I'm showing how to make Alkaline Electric Salsa Verde. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are tomatillos, onions, cilantro, oregano, onion powder, and sea salt. So let's begin. First thing, we're going to take the tomatillos and we're going to take off the skin. They look like a green tomato. We're going to peel them, then we're going to rinse them off. They have a little sticky texture to them. So after I've rinsed off the tomatillos, we're going to cut them in half, or you can cut them in quarters also. Now we're going to cook our ingredients. We're going to take the tomatillos, we're going to put them in water. We just want to have enough water just to cover it. And then we're going to take the onions, sea salt, oregano, and the onion powder. We're going to stir it up a little bit. We're going to cook it on a medium-high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and make sure you stir it occasionally. So after 15 minutes of boiling it, we're going to strain it. Now we're going to put it in a blender. We're going to add some fresh cilantro. Then we're going to blend it for 20 to 30 seconds on high. And there it is, Alkaline Electric Salsa Verde. You can find this recipe in my Volume 4 cookbook. I'm going to enjoy this with my spelt tortilla chips, and the link will be in the description box below. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.